Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make plantain frittata. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 to 3 ripe plantains, 6 large eggs, and about 1 cup of chopped vegetables like bell peppers and onions. Slice the plantains into 1/4 inch thick rounds. Then, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This easy method ensures a delicious meal with minimal fuss. Next, let's cook those plantains. Heat 2 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil, like olive or coconut oil, in an oven-safe 10-inch skillet over medium heat. Add the plantain slices and cook them until they are beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 3 minutes per side. Once cooked, remove the plantains and set them aside, keeping the skillet on the stove. Now for the assembly. In the same skillet, sauté your chopped vegetables until they are tender, about 5 minutes. While they cook, whisk 6 large eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. Arrange the cooked plantains evenly in the skillet with the vegetables, then pour the egg mixture over everything. Ensure an even distribution. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious frittata. Transfer the skillet to your preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the eggs are fully set and lightly golden. Once done, remove the frittata from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. Serve warm, perhaps garnished with some fresh cilantro or parsley, for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.